guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see today what we are making, and before that do subscribe my channel, and if you like this video share with this your friends and family, and don't forget to like this video. So let's see what we are making. So today we are making masala macaroni. In a pan add 1 tablespoon of oil, chopped onions, chopped garlic, and saute them. Now add chopped tomatoes, now add chopped carrots, add chili flakes, mixed herbs, salt, and sugar. Add some pasta water. Cover with a lid and cook for at least 5 minutes. Now add tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, for better taste add some grated cheese. Now add our main ingredient, that is the pasta. So here we go. Our masala macaroni is ready to serve.